Hello children, this is the third part and last part of your second chapter, which is 5-year plan and sectoral growth of the economy during 1950 to 1990. Objectives are as same as your first video. Topics to be covered through this video are industry and trade, in which we will learn about public and private sector in Indian industrial development, Industrial Policy Resolution 1956, small scale industry, and the last one is trade policy, which is your import substitution. Industry and trade. Poor nation can progress only if they have good industrial sector. It is said by an economist. So industry provide employment which is more stable than the employment in agriculture, which is very true. We had learned about this, that industrial sector and service sector can improve our GDP more than the agriculture sector. So now it's time to improve our industrial sector. It promotes modernization and overall prosperity as well. At that time, there were only two managed iron and steel firms, which were in Jamshedpur and Kolkata. Now we need to expand our industrial sector with the base of variety of industries for growth of economy. Public and private sectors in Indian industrial development. As we all know, public sector is work for government, under government, and work under private sector work under private ownership. Now, there was a big question for the policy maker at that time was what should be the role of government and public sector in industrial development, because it's now high time to develop the industries for increasing our GDP and for the development growth and development of our country. For this, first we need capital to invest. अगर हमारे पास कैपिटल होगा इन्वेस्टमेंट के लिए, देन वी कैन स्टार्ट आवर इंडस्ट्रियल डेवलपमेंट और इंडस्ट्रियल सेक्टर. बट देयर वाज लैक ऑफ कैपिटल विद द प्राइवेट एंटरप्रेन्योर्स, क्योंकि गवर्नमेंट के पास भी उस टाइम कैपिटल नहीं था. नॉट द गवर्नमेंट इज हैविंग द कैपिटल और नॉट द मार्केट. मार्केट के अंदर भी इतना कैपिटल नहीं था सो दैट वी कैन मोटिवेट देम टू इन्वेस्ट, क्योंकि हमारी जो इंडस्ट्रीज थी उस टाइम पर बहुत स्मॉल सेटअप में थी. ओके, सो देयर वाज लैक ऑफ कैपिटल with the entrepreneurs. Next is lack of incentive among the private entrepreneurs. Incentive was also lack at that time. Why? Because due to the limited setup of industries, जो आपकी industrial goods की demand थी, that was also low. Due to that, the income level is low. Income level low होगा, then the investment level will also be low. So the last one is fostering the objective of socialistic pattern of society or the objective of equity. Government want to form the industrial development on the basis of socialistic pattern. गवर्नमेंट चाहते थे कि इक्विटी का मोटिव रहे इन दिस इंडस्ट्रियल डेवलपमेंट. फॉर दिस गवर्नमेंट डोंट वांट टू involve more the private sector. Government want the ownership or the sole right of public sector only in this. Okay, because the motive is to generating the employment, nor the profit making. Industrial Policy Resolution 1956 or IPR 1956. Now, this resolution is formed on the basis of second 5-year plan. The plan which tried to build the basis for a socialistic pattern of society. The basis of plan is socialistic pattern of society. Now, one marks question, IPR 1956 का pattern क्या था? Socialistic pattern. Now, this resolution classified industries into 3 categories. पहली category in which the industry would be exclusively owned by the state. State का control होगा ऐसी industries जो state के through own होगी. Second is your industry in which the private sector could supplement the effort of the state sector, with the state taking the sole responsibility for starting new unit. It means the sole person of that is state. Private sector can join the state sector as a helping hand only. Okay. The third one is the remaining industries which were to be in the private sector. यहाँ पर main ownership किसकी होगी? Private sector की. So three categories or three classified of the industries are owned by the state. Second one is in which private sector could supplement the state sector. The last one is private sector. Because the state would have complete control of those industries that were vital for the economy. Means state का major role रहेगा. The private sector would complement the public sector, and public sector will leading the way. There will be ownership of public sector only. Private sector will be as a helping hand. As I told you, the state would have complete control of those industries that were vital role for the economy, or the public sector will be the leading way. So, government has applied a licensing in which industrial licensing is the topic, in which no new industries was allowed unless a license was obtained from the government. There was a legal procedure for the licensing also, although it was easier to obtain a license if the industrial unit was established in an economic backward area. तो वहाँ पे थोड़ा सा आपको concessions मिल सकते हैं, such as tax benefit मिल जाएगा और electricity at lower tariff also. So the purpose of this policy was to promote regional equality only कि जो backward areas है अगर वहाँ पर industry setup होंगी so people will get employment there. Okay, there will be a balance there. So regional equality was the main purpose of this industrial licensing. Small scale industry, which is also called SSI. In 1955, Village and Small Scale Industries Committee, which is also called the Karve Committee, उन्होंने सोचा कि now we have to develop a rural area also. उसके लिए हमें ना स्मॉल स्केल इंडस्ट्रीज़ को स्टार्ट करना चाहिए. सो द स्मॉल स्केल इंडस्ट्री को हम डिफाइन कर सकते हैं विद अ मैक्सिमम इन्वेस्टमेंट अलाउड ऑन द एसेट ऑफ अ यूनिट, कि कितना हम मैक्सिमम इन्वेस्टमेंट अगर हम स्मॉल स्केल इंडस्ट्रीज पर रख के चलें तो कितना होना चाहिए. एट दैट टाइम इन 1950 इट वाज अप टू 5 lakh rupees, and now it is up to 1 crore rupees. It is believed that small scale industries are more labor intensive. उसमें इतनी ज़्यादा हाई मशीनरी सेटअप नहीं होगा. जो लोगों को जितना काम आता है, सपोज हैंडलूम का है या पॉट मेकिंग और एनी अदर थिंग, तो people will more involved in that, so therefore somewhere it is generating more employment. Okay. And industries, if you can see here, स्मॉल स्केल इंडस्ट्रीज के अंदर हैंडलूम और सिल्क को एक तरह से रखा गया था कि हैंडलूम का काम और सिल्क का जितना भी काम है, जितना भी हमारा हैंडीक्राफ्ट वाला काम है, वो सारा स्मॉल स्केल इंडस्ट्रीज के थ्रू ही होगा, so that there will be also employment for the people. The production of a number of products was reserved the small scale industries, as I already told you in our last slide. The criteria of reservation being the ability of these units to manufacture the goods. ठीक है, आप कितना मैन्युफैक्चर कर सकते हो गुड्स, दैट वाज द क्राइटेरिया ऑफ रिजर्वेशन. दे वर ऑल्सो गिवन कंसेशन सच एज लोअर एक्साइज ड्यूटी एंड बैंक लोन्स एट लोअर इंटरेस्ट रेट. ये भी गवर्नमेंट ने एक तरह से किया था टू प्रमोट स्मॉल स्केल इंडस्ट्री, कि लोग इस चीज़ में इन्वॉल्व हो टू ग्रोथ एंड डेवलपमेंट ऑफ द कंट्री एट द रूरल डेवलपमेंट एरियाज ऑल्सो. Trade policy, which is in which we will talk about import substitution. The first 7 plans is characterized by what is commonly called in word looking trade strategy. ट्रेड की स्ट्रेटेजी क्या होनी चाहिए, हमारे पहले 7 प्लान्स इसी में थे, इन विच द आंसर विल बी इम्पोर्ट सब्सटीट्यूशन. नाउ वी शुड स्टॉप इम्पोर्ट और सब्सटीट्यूट इम्पोर्ट विथ the domestic production. The policy aimed at replacing the or substituting import with domestic product, as you can see with the help of this picture here. In this picture, import is substituting by the domestic production of clothes. Okay. In this policy, the government protected the domestic industries from foreign competition. डोमेस्टिक इंडस्ट्रीज को प्रोटेक्ट करना चाहते थे बिकॉज एट द पास दे ऑल्सो सीन दैट कि ब्रिटिशर्स के थ्रू जो इम्पोर्ट होता था हमारा दैट वाज वेरी मच अट्रैक्टिव एंड चीप ऑल्सो. उसकी फिनिशिंग गुड्स की बहुत अच्छी क्वालिटी होती थी एंड पीपल गॉट अट्रैक्टेड टूवर्ड्स दैट, जिसकी वजह से हमारा डोमेस्टिक मार्केट बिल्कुल ख़त्म हो गया था. सो गवर्नमेंट डू नॉट वांट टू रिपीट दैट. देयर वाज समवेयर फियर इन गवर्नमेंट कि अगर हमने दोबारा ये स्टार्ट कर दिया इट विल बी very difficult to recover again. So how do we protect our import? We protect our import with two forms, tariff and quotas. Tariff means हमने taxes लगा दिए, okay, and quotas means हमने quantity एक fix कर दी. These are the tariff are the tax on import goods. They make import goods more expensive and discourage their use, and quotas specify the quantity of goods which can be imported. ओके कि आप इतना ही क्वांटिटी इंपोर्ट कर सकते हो, इससे ज़्यादा नहीं कर सकते. सो थ्रू विच पीपल को लोगों को बहुत ज़्यादा एक्सपेंसिव लगने लगा. सो इंस्टेड ऑफ दैट दे विल go to domestic goods. So you can see here trade barriers. Here are the import goods जो हम import कर सकते हैं, but here we are manufacturing the goods from our domestic market. Protect the domestic firm from foreign competition till mid-80s. This was the motive कि हमें protect करना है अपने domestic firm को from foreign competition. It is assumed that if the domestic industries are protected, they will learn to compete in the course time. अभी हमारी इंडस्ट्रीज इतनी रेडी नहीं थी कि हम फॉरेन इंडस्ट्रीज को compete कर सकें. Okay. So we need time for that. Thank you for watching.